Hello, this is video number 9, which will be the last video for the beginner step, like you just started at just a starter step for you in Excel. And this is video number 9. Please subscribe for the channel. And this is the first third part of the Excel course. We will be talking about the templates. There is too many templates you can use in Excel. So you can go in File and New, and you can see templates. There's calendar, you can search here, whatever you want to look for. Like now I will look for business expenses tracker. I didn't find it, but I will search again. Business track. Here it shows weekly time sheet, simple Gantt chart, vehicle service record. If you have seen in the advertisements, Mile IQ and the spend expense tracker. I want to use this one. Create, track your expenses in this spend expense log. Now, it's taking you for another website, and that's what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. I want a template. See how many expenses you can add here if you want, like make your receipts, your business receipts. When you want to make you want to add receipts for expenses date, merchant name, amounts, classifications, personal, business, blanks, the notes, flight from somewhere to somewhere else, January, phone bill, whatever you want to add here. And these are ready to use templates. How much they have? They have 1008 bills you can add here. Okay, you can add receipts, so whatever you want to add here. And this is just an example how to set them. Receipt, yes, receipt, no. Okay, so this is one of the templates that you can use. But if you want to make your own template, so close this, and I'll close this. Now, if you want to make your own template, like the monthly budget, you made your own template, and now you just want to save this as a template. You don't want to save it like you made the monthly budget template, and you want to use it for different months. Take that arrow, and here you have the percentage calculations, you have the totals here, but you want to enter new numbers every month. So you go to File, then you go to Save As. It can show you like this PC or Browse. I will do the Browse. Here you see Excel workbook. We don't want an Excel workbook. We want a template, Excel template. Excel template here, you can see it in the file types. Excel template, I will call it monthly budget template number 3016. Save. Now the chart is gone, but it's ready when you insert your numbers because it's a personal template. So when you want to open, like in new, you see all the templates are here. That's suggested by the Excel. With the personal, you have monthly budget. You click. Oh, it's already open. So you go back. I'll just close this. Close. And add another worksheet. File, new, personal templates. And here we go. We can put 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and 350. Now that's the phone bill. 120, 150, and 50. Credit is 100, 80, 95. Food is 120, 325, 450. You see the numbers are changing. The count is 4. Average is changing. The maximum is 1,000. Minimum is going to 50 on this month. I didn't insert the month here. The candy is 50, 70, 82. And here is July 2019. You can see here it didn't let me write whole July. August 2019. It's set to the format that we have set before because this is how we saved it. It's a template now with the picture, with everything. August and September 2019. Now the chart, the pie chart came back. It's back now. It's showing the food. We can show the phone bill. Phone bill is the most for September 2019. It was the highest bill for the phone. Where's the phone? 120, 120, 50. The phone should be July here. September 2019 was the lowest for the phone. That's food. That's what I was saying. So the press apply. September is the least now for the phone. August is the maximum for the phone, and 120 for July. That's the phone bill for July. So this is how you can save your own template on Excel. I hope you learned from these 9 videos. For the first step, now you are from beginning, you learned now from the beginning to, I would say, halfway for the Microsoft Excel. And please subscribe for the channel, and we'll see you on next video. And congratulations finishing these videos. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.